Okay, to replace the lid, you're going to need a really thin screwdriver and a hammer. So the first thing to do is we need to pop the lid open with the lid lock. And what we're going to need to do is pop out the hinge pins that are holding the lid onto the body of the can. So you can see there's this gap right here, and you can see that part of it is filled with a hinge pin. So we're going to put the screwdriver into the empty space, and using the hammer, knock out the hinge pin. Now that it's partly out, you can just go ahead and take a pair of pliers and pull it out the rest of the way. Now that one side's out, we can go ahead and just remove the vertical rods from the lid. On one side, and then do the same thing on the other side. Now that that's off, you can just slide the lid out. Use the pliers to remove the other hinge pin. Okay, in this case, the hinge pins are completely broken or missing, so what we can do is just go ahead and install the lid, and if there's any pieces of hinge pins stuck in the can, it'll push out with the new hinge pins that we're using. So to put the lid on, we're just going to attach the hinges to the vertical rods. Attach one side. Close the lid, and then you can just take your hinge pins and slide them in from the outside. Make sure that the narrower part of the hinge pin is what you're pushing into the can, so hold on to the wider part yourself. And then at the back, you'll see there's a little hole at the very back of your lid to slide the pin into. You can just hammer it a little if you need to finish it off. Do the same thing on the other side.